What's up? Today I'm gonna unbox and install the bullet point mounting solution phone holder for the truck, and I think it's got a GoPro mount for there as well. So putting it in a 2024 Ram 2500 should sit right above where the infotainment system is. So we'll get at it. It costs, I don't know how much because it's not on the invoice. I think it was like $100, give or take. So yeah, here's the GoPro mount. Box. It's actually packaged kind of well. So, bottle opener. I don't know what that is. The actual piece. Phone holder. The little extender arm. Screwdrivers. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know how exactly this thing's supposed to mount in there, but see how it goes. I'm sure that's directions that I'm not going to read. Sticker. Remove the rubber cover from the dash. Use a Phillips head screwdriver Torx to remove the 2 OEM fastener screws. Set aside the screws. Conduct a test fit by mounting the base plate. Thoroughly clean the plastic dash tray where the adhesive tape will make contact. Allow adhesive tape 24 hours. Attach the phone mount arm and phone holder to the base. So we'll go ahead and put all this crap. Don't need any of that, don't need any of that, I'll grab that. Let's see, that should be a pretty good angle. Looks relatively simple to put in here, so hopefully there's not too much issue. Take these 2 screws out. I should have probably grabbed the little screwdriver version of this Torx bit I had in there. Now, how in tarnation? I guess. If that's it, that seems pretty darn simple, but Alright, well, I guess it's that easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this adhesive strip, or adhesive strips. Not gonna, yeah, it's clean enough. Come on. Holy Jesus, Murphy. Am I just dumb or stupid? Or both? Jesus. Two little screws fit in that little slots down here. And it should be that easy. Oh, Lord. What, am I not doing anything here? There we go. And that feels about right with the old calibrated elbow. Sick. Let's see here. I don't want to lose this stuff. I had one of these in the Jeep that I had that was an absolute mistake in buying. But let's see. There. And I guess this thing's next. Cool. Well, that was significantly easier than I thought it was going to be to put in here, so. Get this GoPro thing in here. Oh yeah, big money. I wanted to get this before we went to Glacier this weekend in the event that put the GoPro here, and driving up the to the Sun Road or whatever that road's called is actually pretty cool. But I'm gonna go around. All right. So as a POV for the driver, it's honestly pretty good. So cool. Yeah, anywho, that's about it. That was a lot easier to put in than I thought it was going to be. So if you watched this to the end of the video and found it mildly entertaining or not. If you want to subscribe, that would be dope. It's free for you. And somehow there's like 700 and some odd subscribers, which is cool. So my goal is to keep making videos of just absolutely random stuff. And yeah, anywho, so peace.